What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be executing some bang bang shrimp tacos. So first we're going to make a bang bang slaw. So we're going to get some regular coleslaw bags. We're going to use raised red cabbage, green cabbage, and carrots that's out of here. Get you a little minced garlic, mayonnaise, sour cream, some sweet chili sauce, cilantro, and usually I use fresh bunch of cilantro. However, I could not find any at the grocery store due to this quarantine. People are just buying up the most unimaginable things that you think would never run out. But yeah, add that and add some fresh lime juice. Give this a really good stir, and this is what you call a bang bang slaw. Now you could just make this with just the mayo, the sour cream, and the cabbage mix. However, I'm gonna make a bang bang slaw too because I think that's really good on top of these tacos. Now add in 1 cup of buttermilk and add in a half a cup of cornstarch. Then add 3/4 of a cup of flour. Next, you're gonna wanna add your salt and pepper for tasting. And then I also did add 1 egg. However, my camera died in the middle of me recording. So make sure you scramble 1 egg, put this in your mixture, mix it all up. And this is your batter before you put your shrimp into the actual breading. So you're gonna dip your shrimp into this buttermilk batter and then press on your batter, but you're gonna see that next. Take your freshly thawed shrimp, you're gonna dip it into the buttermilk batter, then press into the Panko breadcrumbs and just place aside. You're gonna just repeat this step until all of your shrimp are freshly battered and dipped into Panko breadcrumbs. Now set that aside, and we're gonna start our bang bang sauce for the actual shrimp. So we're gonna start off with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot sauce, just about, I'll say a 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce, and we're gonna add about 1/4 cup of honey as well. Now add in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of mayo. Now give that all a really good stir. Once your vegetable oil is properly heated in your skillet, you can now add your shrimp one by one. When you're frying shrimp, you do not have to fry these that long. Since this grease is already hot, we're gonna fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Then when you see that they're done, we're gonna remove them, place them on a paper towel to remove all of the excess oil. By now, you should see that all of these shrimp are perfectly golden brown. It's time to remove these. Again, place them on the paper towel to remove the excess grease. And now add these to your bang bang sauce. And bang, here you go. Now you got your bang bang shrimp tacos. Top them with some nice guacamole, your bang bang slaw, cilantro, place them on corn or flour tortillas. And there you go. You got you a really delicious bang bang shrimp taco recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Continue to like, subscribe, and share these videos. If you have any recipes you would like to see me create, please leave a comment below. Continue to share this. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video, guys. Happy Taco Tuesday.